This is going to be the prediction for the day on GBPJPY. So we can see trend right. This is an uptrend. GBPJPY, we are in an uptrend. I want you guys to have that. And GBPJPY will push up and clear this high right. You can see right here. So definitely go to clear. So now this is for both swing trader and position trader going for the buy and the buy position. Because when you take a look at this, we had a reversal pattern which is a double bottom, right? Now market push up to give us our first high, and this is our higher low. This is also our second higher high, and this is the higher low. Now we've gotten this higher low. What market is going to be doing right now is going to continue to push up. So it is able to take out this our third previous high, previous higher high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is one of these where I said a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJ. Now let's go down to the forward time. So this is a multiple rejection zone right here. You can see that we once had a multiple rejection zone. Made market to push up, and market has come back to this level. And this is one of the rejection. Expect market to continue to push up till it is able to tap this side. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing for the day on your GBPJPY, going for the buy. If it is possible, hold your buy till next week. So once you're going for the buy and hold it next week, very much better, right? So above all, be it you are a day trader or a swing trader or a position trader, going for the buy on your GBP JPY.